This is a Jamestown, a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,540 square foot home. This is classic Knotty Alder cabinets, which are a stone stain with Prairie doors. So you're going to see that look throughout the all-wood look here. Great front door, Craftsman front door. These are alder doors with an arched top, small closet as soon as you enter right here. And you're going to see that even in the patio doors, that those have the wood look, so they're Pella lifestyle. Go through the kitchen here and you'll see this great Calcutta Marble countertop. Now this is an upgraded island. So this is the larger island, about 54 by 78 inch island. And you'll get a great close-up look of these Prairie doors and the Calcutta Marble. Gray grout there, in with subway tiles. Great matte black finish. Looks phenomenal with the stone. The new appliance color looks great with the stone. This is a standard sink, Moen. Again, another great look at those lifestyle windows. So instead of choosing black or white for the interior, it's actually wood, so it's stained. You'll see it on the doors and all the windows. This is Craftsman trim. And here you'll have your pantry. That's 5 foot by 1 inch by 3 foot 8 inches. You could choose to have alder inside of that instead of the melamine, or oak if you choose to oak home. And we'll go into the laundry here. There's great light here through that window, space for your washer and dryer, and then we have a built-in cubby. Think about whether you want to drywall back on that or to complete the look out with more wood. These would be 7-inch shelves here, and they are made of alder. Great use of space for some extra storage. Keep in mind as we walk through where you see drawers and doors. So you might want some drawers on this island versus these doors. But here's a close-up now of what this looks like with Knotty Alder. You're going to have natural pits and divots. So great news if you happen to accidentally bang against it and cause some damage. It's going to look exactly like the rustic look that it already has. And this is your half wall here. This does look a little higher than normal. You could choose to have a Craftsman half wall there or a Craftsman half wall with railings. Up here we have a box for your fan. I haven't seen this before, so this is something you'd certainly ask for. And here off to the left, we're going to just have a small linen closet. If you choose not to have this small linen closet, you can make your walk-in closet a little bit bigger because that's what backs up to that space. As we swing around here, you're going to see that this closet has double pull, which I think is great for any closet that's that small. That double pull expands your space by twice as much. Here we will go into the master bathroom. You're going to have a 54-inch vanity here. This is a great gray color. You could choose to have a double sink vanity, but you're going to lose a lot of your vanity space. Your toilet will go there. And this is your standard shower. You could choose to replace this with an onyx base shower too. Here's your other master closet, which is going to include double pull, single pull, and some shelves. You could choose to have these shelves go all the way up to your ceiling to maximize your space. I also want to point out, this is just one version of an island that you have. We actually have 3 drawn into the plan that you could choose from. So you can also have an optional angled kitchen, bar, and island. This would be bedroom number 2. It's going to be 11 foot by 10 foot 3. There are 2 windows in this. You might choose to keep both of those windows on the front of the house. Bypass doors versus bifold. You can see that closet only chose to have 1 set of single hung. And here we have some shelves off to the right for some linens, your standard shower. And this vanity is going to be 36 inches. Non-wood wrapped mirror. And on the other side of this door, you would have an optional 30-inch linen. Now we go into bedroom number 3. Again, separated windows. You could choose to have them both together on one wall or as many windows as you want, as a matter of fact. Bypass with a single pull. As we go through this kitchen again, I just want to point out these are non-staggered cabinets, so they're all at the same level. If you want to stagger your cabinets, it certainly gives an elevated look. We're going to close up on this great Calcutta marble one last time so you can see it up close.